How to use the Topsider vacuum pump. First, pull out the dipstick. And measure the length of the dipstick against the hose. Make sure to mark the end of the dipstick with a permanent marker. Next, put the hose into the dipstick tube and put it all the way down to the mark, and then go a few inches past until you feel it hit the bottom of the oil pan. Next, put the hose through the pinch clamp. Connect the smaller hose with the larger hose using the rubber spacer and close the pinch clamp. Next, pump the tank 40 times to create a vacuum. Release the pinch clamp and let the oil vacuum.